Another art journal finished, so let me show you how it looks like, and it's really weird. There was no paints used in it, almost no markers, and very little stamping. Hi everyone, it's Asia Marquet here, Lemon Creation. Welcome to my channel. So this is my super easy art journal, and I bought it for very little. The pages are not mixed media pages, the paper, not watercolor paper, so that's why I decided to make it quick, to make it easy, especially that there are not that many pages. So this is gonna be very washi tape and Rub-ons oriented, and the first page already is like that. A little bit of washi from the washi tape shop and a little bit of Rub-ons from 49 and Marquet, and the sentiment to finish it off, and the butterfly. And this beetle bee comes from my drawings, Winged and Company, which you can find in the shop. I'm gonna give you a link in the description box below. And the washi tape comes from the washi tape shop, as far as I know, and I added a little bit of circles drawn with the probably Unipen fine liner. So it's very, very simple. The pages are really simple, very good for the beginners, and you don't need too much. You don't need overthinking too much. So the green part, the background, it's a part of Spectrum Sherbet collection from 49 and Marquet is Rub-ons. The flowers comes from Whimsical Garden, Black and White Garden actually, this one. There is my sentiment, and there was a tiny bit of washi tape from Alexandra Renke. Here we have a die cut, flowers once again from Black and White Garden. A little bit of sequins, and again Sherbet collection from 49 and Marquet. So as you can see, it's not, nothing, not the rocket science. It's very easy, very cool for the beginners, and also just to unwind. And if you want to make a quick project, very good for the reels. That's the way to go. The whale, it's my design. I made it. I draw it once on the piece of watercolored paper. I added a little bit of pulse, and then the washi tape once again, and a little bit of kind of a wavy lines. And this is a funny story. The grid comes from the keyboard letters. I had to buy keyboard letters for my computer, and so I got left with the grid, and I added a little bit of squares inside it from some colored paper. I also cut out the hearts. There is a tiny bit of splatter, but nothing major. And those two pages I really love. The background comes once again from Rub-ons, once again from 49 and Marquet. And I do not work for 49 and Marquet, so I am not sponsored in any way. They just have really nice collection of Rub-ons, which I lately discovered, and I love working with them. So this one comes from the eggplant transfers. But the really nice people, very weird, a little almost Halloweenish, they come from Patricia Pieczara, Dreamy Attic. Maybe you know her. I'll try to leave you the links in the description box below. They are super cool, and even though I don't like working on acetate, this is acetate, those are really nice, and I can put glue on underneath them, and the glue is not even visible because there's so many details in the drawings, and they are so super cute. So the next page, well, I just add layers of washi tape, and this time this washi tape comes from All and Create. Once again, I do not work for All and Create, but I find their washi tape is super cool. I like Grungy, they are super cool, super grungy, and the leads comes from Serendipitous Stems. This is also my book, which I design. So they come already with these colors, which I really like. This page, the background is the stamping. I think the only one stamping I use on this page, no, there are two, I think. It comes from my stamp So Textured, and the leaves, once again from 49 and Marquet, they are acetate leaves. And tiny bit of splatter, I don't even know with which type of paint or marker I did it. here we have a little like very happy summary page. Once again with washi tape, a little bit of butterflies. I think they are drawings. Ah, no, they are not even. They are Rub-ons once again from 49 and Marquet. Really, this art journal should be called 49 and Marquet art journal. And here we go, background again from them, from their from 49 and Marquet, from the collection Strawberry Lemonade. And the 3 tubes of paint, they come from the Alexandra Renke papers. And I love her papers, they're really nice. Once again, 49 and Marquet, this time 2 different things. A washi tape, the red one. They have now washi tape, it's called a lace washi tape. And then on top of the washi tape, I added a little bit of Rub-ons, the flowers from their collection Botanicals. The 3 dots comes from my stamp Theo's Bird. And here we have this piece of paper with beautiful colors. It comes from some kind of swatches I was making. So I just tear the part apart, place it on the page here, adding a little bit of thread underneath, and the drawing I made, doodling rather I made. And those are 2 of my favorite pages, I think. The backgrounds for both of them were created with collage paper. This one is for sure collage paper from Tim Holtz. And beautiful, cute girl comes from the Art Alchemy. This is a Polish brand which makes papers with a lot of elements to cut out. And the words come from my either really silly words or super messy words collections, which once again you can find in my shop. And this is the same, it's just on the background I add all and create washi tape instead of collage paper from Tim Holtz, but the big man and the girl comes also from Art Alchemy. And I find them super cute. This page with flowers, let me tell you about it. The background is made from the leftovers. From the punching of the holes. I punch the holes in a Yupo paper when I color Yupo paper with green alcohol paper, alcohol inks, sorry, and with some touches of gold. And the flowers comes from Maremi Small Art, so you know you can really add leftovers, and that's so cool. And you don't have to overthink it. Once again, the lace washi tape from 49 and Marquet. Some die cut the leaves. I don't know where is it coming from, I'm sorry guys. My sentiment and a tiny bit of mark making with probably Unipin eyeliners because they are super cool to work with. And then these 2 pages, as you can see my cover is hanging on the thread, I have to fix it. So the journal is really not sturdy enough to be holding the water and other mediums, but once again collage paper from Tim Holtz and the Botanical flower Rub-on from 49 and Marquet. My sentiment, and it's so easy guys, if you are not feeling you know, good enough, if you are starting, if you are not you don't know exactly how to draw or you don't like your drawings, the Rub-ons are really a way to go also, either for the background or for the focal point. And this is Rub-ons once again, a little bit of washi taping, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this art journal, very simple, and you can find all the creations, all the pages I made on my Instagram account in the Reels section. I hope I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I wish you all a beautiful day and thank you for subscribing. Bye bye!